Hello again. Welcome back to Serbian Language Podcast. Today is a special day because you get to learn how to tell time in Serbian. After having learned the numbers, it's time to put all that knowledge to use and practice telling time in Serbian. If you haven't learned the numbers yet, we encourage you to go back to the first video about numbers and start there. It will help you tremendously in this lesson. For those of you who are feeling confident, let's jump right in. Let's start with some vocabulary first. Hour in Serbian is sat or sati, plural for hours. You can also use sat and sati instead of the English o'clock, for example, 6 o'clock. 1 o'clock is jedan sat. 2 o'clock is dva sata. 3 o'clock is 3 sata. 4 o'clock is 4 sata. 5 o'clock is 5 sati. 6 o'clock is 6 sati. 7 o'clock is 7 sati. 8 o'clock is 8 sati. 9 o'clock is 9 sati. 10 o'clock is 10 sati. 11 o'clock is 11 sati. And 12 o'clock is 12 sati. Notice that for 2, 3, and 4, you need to say sata. For example, 2 sata. And from 5 to 12, it's sati. For example, 5 sati. Just keep this in mind. Let's learn how to say AM and PM in Serbian. AM is prepodne, meaning before noon. And PM is poslepodne, meaning afternoon. You can also use ujutru, which means in the morning, or uveče, which means in the evening. Sometimes you might want to say at night, and this is noću in Serbian. Let's practice. 7 a.m. in Serbian is 7 ujutru. And 7 p.m. is 7 uveče. 7:10 in the morning is 7:10 ujutru. And 7:10 in the evening is 7:10 uveče. 10:15 in the morning is 10:15 ujutru. And 10:15 in the evening is 10:15 uveče. 11:20 a.m. is 11:20 ujutru. And 11:20 p.m. is 11:20 uveče. Or, if you wanted to say 11:20 at night, you would say 11:20 noću. 12 p.m. is 12 popodne, which is noon. We say noon in Serbian, podne. And 12 a.m. is 12 noću, which is midnight. We say midnight in Serbian, ponoć. 2:30 is 2:30. 3:30 is 3:30. Or how Serbian native speakers would say, this is pola četiri. Pola means half, and pola četiri literally means half of 4. In Serbian, you need to say half of the hour that is coming. For example, 4:30 is 4:30, or pola pet, half of 5. In English, for 4:30, you would say 4:30. In Serbian, you would say pola pet, half of 5. So don't get confused here. Just remember that in Serbian, you need to say half of the hour that is coming. 5:30, for example, is pola šest, literally meaning half of 6. 6:30 is pola sedam, meaning half of 7. Moving on. 4:45 in Serbian is 4:45, or you can say 15 to 5, which is 15 do 5, which is what most Serbian native speakers would say. 15 do 5. The preposition do means to, and it's often used with time. Now, I want to teach you how to say what time is it in Serbian. To ask about the time in Serbian, you need to use the word koliko. What time is it in Serbian is koliko je sati. Koliko in Serbian means how many, and koliko je sati roughly translates to how many hours in English. So when you are asking about the time in Serbian, you are asking a person to tell you how many hours and minutes there are. That is the logic behind the words koliko, or how many. Now that you know this, I will ask you, koliko je sati? And I want you to answer in Serbian by saying 6:15. How would you say 6:15 in Serbian? 6:15. Let's do another one. Koliko je sati? Say it's 7:30 a.m. Pause the video if you need to think. 7:30 a.m. in Serbian is 7:30 ujutru. Koliko je sati? Say it's 9:45 a.m. 9:45 ujutru. Or you can say 15 do 10. 15 to 10. Koliko je sati? Say it's 3:25 p.m. 3:25 popodne. Koliko je sati? Respond by saying 10:30 a.m. 10:30 prepodne. Or you can say pola 11 ujutru. Excellent job today! Stay relaxed and encouraged. Remember to review the study guide for more additional practice. Zdravo!